Hello everybody, back with the Freak here with another video. Got a quick update for you guys regarding potential tropical cyclone number 9. As of this morning, it is still not developed completely. It still hasn't got a name yet, but it's showing some promising signs. This is basically where it's currently located, as you can see, in the Virgin Islands. Let me just mark something here. You see it right there. So it's definitely heading towards Puerto Rico. It may cross over the Dominican Republic. That's the reason why, excuse me, why. So I'm gonna show you the National Hurricane Center is having it basically with a more of a westerly track. Now let me show you the wind speed probabilities. So you see how the track has shifted further west. So now Florida, pretty much Florida's in the whole cone, but it looks like it may kind of clip the west coast of Florida. Now that's gonna change. That's gonna change big time. We still don't know for sure, but that's what we're looking at right now. If we go back and look at the cone, that shows you a pretty better idea. Virgin Islands, Puerto Rico, northern part of Dominican Republic and Haiti are under a tropical storm warning. When the south part of Dominican Republic and some of the Bahamian Islands, or actually Turks and Caicos, are under a tropical storm watch. Now, it all depends. We have some big mountains here. I mean, 10,000 feet high up in Dominican Republic, so that might actually mess with the system. It might disrupt it, but once it comes out of there, it has plenty of warm water through here to really intensify, and that's the worry. The National Hurricane Center has it making landfall potentially here in this area with winds of 65 miles an hour. So that's something that we need to keep an eye on, because again, that's actually, it's temporary. It may be stronger, may be weaker, but right now it has winds of 45 miles an hour, and it's moving very fast. It's moving at 23 miles an hour. Well, it keeps that track of moving that fast. It's not going to intensify too much because it's just moving too fast. It's not really having enough time to reorganize and actually get any stronger. But the arrival time of winds is estimated by Friday night to make landfall in Florida. I'm located in Central Florida, so we're probably looking around maybe Saturday at noontime, kind of like there. And so I'm expecting that basically stores are gonna start going crazy. People are gonna start taking everything as it happens every time, depending on how strong it gets. Seems like, I guess, people keep an eye on. It might not be as bad with this one because of this particular storm is projected to be a strong tropical storm, but not really a major hurricane. But we don't know that. But some of the key notes as a 5 o'clock update here from the National Hurricane Center: potential tropical cyclone 9 will produce heavy rains and life-threatening flash flooding in Puerto Rico, Virgin Islands, Dominican Republic, Leeward Islands. These tropical storm conditions are likely across portions of Leeward Islands and Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico today, and spreading westward to the Dominican Republic and Haiti on Thursday. If we go back, let's take a look at some of the tropical tidbits. Now, in the trackthetropics.com, there we can see. Let me take a look and look at the how well it is organized as of this morning. So you got Puerto Rico here, and you can kind of see how it's getting closer there. Some of the bands, as you can see here, are getting pretty close there. Now let me go back and look at the intensity that is projected to be. So nothing major, tropical storm all the way around pretty much. One model that it takes it up to a hurricane status. But that's pretty much it. Now it could change, of course, but so far that's what we're looking at. Some of the spaghetti models, the majority of them are showing again West Coast landfall, maybe clipping the West Coast and going into the Gulf, making landfall in the Florida Panhandle, and then you have a couple models that take it to the East Coast. But so far, everything is looking is going to come up to the West Coast of Florida. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as that goes. Now let's take a look at the forecast models, what some of the models are saying that it may do. Let's take a look at a broader picture here. So let's go ahead and play this. Now you can see it here. Now the GFS is having it. Let's see. Now this thing is loading up. Let's just wait for the whole run to do it. Okay, let's just move it back again. Yeah, so you see it kind of same thing as some of the models were saying, kind of clipping the Florida West Coast. Now let's take a look at the European model. The European model has been for the past couple of days actually having that kind of track, westerly, more westerly track, but go back here. This is a little slower, but you can see it actually now has it moving even further west. As of last night, it had it also coming through the Florida Straits, making landfall or scraping the coast also. But now it seems like they have it a weak storm and then just going into the Gulf. Let's check the Canadian model. Now the Canadian model, oh man, this thing is just taking a little bit to kind of load up. There you go. Let's play that again. So the Canadian model actually has it going over Dominican Republic, spending a little bit more time in the water. That's why it shows this as a stronger storm, and then kind of like making landfall, I would say probably around Mexico Beach, unfortunately. And then the new GFS, and that's the last model I'm going to show you guys. Let's take a look at this one. Let's wait for it. There you go. To load up again. Now, but that particular one takes it closer to Puerto Rico, almost shooting the gap between Puerto Rico and Dominican Republic, and completely way east from the other models as you have seen. So again, models are not too certain of what exactly is going to happen with this one, but so far, that's what is going on with potential cyclone number 9, which it will be Isaias if it becomes a tropical storm. But that's all I have for you guys this morning. Have a good day. Subscribe to my channel, like my video, post any comments in the comment section. Have a good day.